from the one and only Rachel DiStefano and Baby Harris. And we are here in lovely, warm Rockport, Massachusetts today. We are going to get our water out of Rockport Harbor, which is also super warm right now, isn't it? And we are really excited to help raise awareness and then also go home and more importantly make a donation to help strike out ALS at www.alsa.com. And before we go, I'm going to make my nominations to my college roommates from way back to 1993. Not only because they're awesome, but because they're scattered all over the country and they'll help to spread the freight train even further. So Nicole Bouchard-DeGrobner out in Colorado, and Valerie Schurter-Long in Seattle, Washington, and Kim Bruns-Dowdell in New York, and Jennifer Delan in New Jersey, and Kerry Tiernan, you're off the hook because you already did it, but if you want to do it again, have at it. So, who do you want to nominate? Everybody at the Discovery Channel for Shark Week this week. Alright, so fill your bucket without falling in, okay? Go ahead. No, I'll take half your ice, okay, Fetch? You gotta take your hood off, though. You do. Alright, I'm gonna go first. Yeah, I think you should. Okay, everyone. Want to count to 3? 3. Your turn. Alright, look at the camera. I love you. Good job. Thank you.